Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hi,
Okay, hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And what is your name?
My name is Spark.
Oh, okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Bhutan, but I currently I'm living in India.
Oh, okay. And why did you move to India?
Actually, I'm studying.
Okay, what are you studying?
I'm majoring in journalism, psychology, and English.
Wow, fantastic. And why
Thank
did
you.
you decide to study in India?
I wanted to go out of my country, and I wanted to explore different cultures, and you know, I wanted to know more about India, Indian cultures, and I don't know why I felt like studying in India. Because I felt that my country was like a comfort zone for me and I wanted to explore more. So
Okay,
yeah, so I moved to India to do my graduation studies.
okay, I see. And how long have you been there for?
Uh, I've been here for nearly 2 years, but in between I went home and came back.
Okay, I see.
Where are you from?
And I'm from South Africa.
Oh, I see.
And how are you finding India?
Sorry.
How is India for you? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's a great country. I'm loving. Uh, it's a great place to study, and everything is good.
Okay. And tell me, how long are you planning on being in India for?
I have 1 more year to complete my studies, so
Hmm.
I think I will be here for only 1 year now from now, and then I will go back to my country most probably.
Okay. And then are you planning on staying and working in your country?
That I am not sure. I'm thinking about moving abroad, maybe Australia or US. I'm not sure at the moment,
Hmm.
but
Why are you
uh,
thinking of Australia or the US? Sorry.
okay, because I want to do my master's abroad.
Okay. And then
That's
after
what.
you've come, sorry, yes.
Okay. Yeah, continue.
So why Australia or the US specifically?
Specifically Australia because I have my cousins there, so it will be an advantage for me. I don't have to uh, search for places to stay, and it will be easier for me because I have my uncles there. So,
Okay.
but I'm not sure if I will go or if I won't go. But if I go, I will most probably choose Australia.
Okay. And then will you return home after your master's, or are you hoping to stay on in Australia?
That I'm not sure. I cannot say anything now because I have to see that once I go to Australia. If I by chance go,
Okay. But what is your ultimate goal? Is it to work in your home country or to work abroad?
my ultimate goal in life is to do business. I don't want to do job as much as I can. I will
Yeah.
prefer to do a business rather than doing a job.
Okay. So when you say do a business, what do you mean?
I want to do digital marketing.
You want to work in digital marketing or you want to have your own digital marketing company?
Yeah, I want to have my own digital marketing company.
Okay.
Uh,
And why digital marketing?
because its potential is unlimited. Uh,
Okay.
just to give you an example, real life example, if I work in a corporate life,
Yes.
I have to, go to office at 5 a.m. I mean 9 a.m. and
Yeah.
then I will get to go home only by 5 p.m. or 6 p.m.
Mhm.
and I have to follow a schedule. I cannot do
Yeah.
whatever I wish in life, and I have to stick to one place and one schedule all the time.
Yeah.
But I do something of my own, if I do my start my own company, or if I do digital marketing and start an agency, then I will have the freedom of time, money, and I will have the liberty to go anywhere else I want and do the thing
Yeah.
that I otherwise will have to do by staying in a single place.
And do you think it is good to first work for a company and then build your own company, or do you just want to immediately start your own company?
Uh, I think both of said are good. It depends on each individual's thoughts and what he wants to do and how he wants to do. For me, I want to learn first. I'm still learning. I'm learning about digital marketing. Like there are also many subcategories in digital marketing, like affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, and then SEO, search engine optimization, and so I am learning one by one all of those skills, and I will gradually try to monetize it, and I will start it on my own. I don't want to work for someone else. Like I want
Yeah.
to start it in a small scale. I gradually want to increase my team and work on my skills and improve it further.
Okay, so you've explained why you want your own business because of flexibility and earning your own income and doing it from wherever you want to. But why specifically digital marketing? Because journalism, English, all of those things, you could also have your own company that you can do anywhere over the world.
Yeah, I always wanted to study English,
Mm.
and I also love to write articles, stories, and I have even published two books of my own.
Oh, wow.
And then, like I initially wanted to study English, but somehow later I got to know a lot of things. Like I started reading books, and
Hmm.
I was reading a book by Robert Kiyosaki. The title of the book is Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I came to realize that study and study whatever we study in schools and colleges and universities is like obsolete.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, obsolete. So that's why I thought that I should do something of my own so that I will have financial freedom and freedom of
Hmm.
time as well. So I started learning. I started researching on internet because we have YouTube and Google, and whatever we want to learn, everything is on those platforms.
Hmm.
So that's why I
Okay, I see.
basically wanted to work on digital, and because internet is booming, because digital marketing, because businesses are going down,
Hmm.
people are suffering and having lots of losses because of COVID situation.
Yes.
Now is the right time to take those help those business owners to take their businesses from offline mode to online mode, and they need so many people to help them to shift their business from offline to online, but they don't know how to do that. But
Mm.
if we have the skills and if we know how to do that, then we will be able to be successful. That's what I feel. That's why I am learning about digital marketing.
Okay, fantastic. But now you haven't studied digital marketing. Is that what you want to do your master's in digital marketing?
Yeah, but I am taking courses. I am educating going into courses and investing on courses on digital marketing.
Yeah.
So apart from my regular studies, my regular course, I have also enrolled in uh, different courses. One by then I'm learning about digital marketing as well.
Okay. And then, so your master's will be in digital marketing?
Yeah, if I opt for masters, I will do that.
Okay. And do you want to go further or do you want to stop at your master's?
Um, I don't have any plans to do my PhDs and or to go further, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, yeah, I want to keep learning, keep growing, and that's the ultimate, aim in my life.
Do you think something like an MBA would be beneficial for digital marketing or not really?
Uh, yeah, it will be beneficial, but if we study on the related topics, if there are practical lessons, then it will obviously be beneficial. But what we learn in universities and schools these days is just theories, and they don't teach us practical knowledge. Just to give you an example, I am pursuing a course in media, mass media, and journalism. But they
Okay.
don't, yeah, but they don't teach us anything related to cameras, filming, and
Right.
stuff. They just teach us theories propagated by some theories back in 1960s, 1970s, and 1980s, and
Mm,
that is not going to help us. That obviously we will gain knowledge, we will get lots of knowledge, and it is
mhm.
just an information, but it won't help us in practical life.
Okay, so why do you think they do that?
I don't know, maybe universities and schools don't want us to be successful. Maybe this is how the society is functioning right now, because
Yeah.
everyone wants to go to university and get a job and expect a paycheck month after month.
Okay.
Yeah, go to office 9 to 5, and that's it. Maybe go for a vacation once in a year or in a 6 months.
Mm,
Yeah, because we are taught that way since we are like very small. We are taught that way by the society, by our teachers, and in the schools and in universities. Wherever we go, we are always taught and said that it's very important to study very hard, get a job. But
mm,
no one, you have you must have financial, you must be financial literate, and
mm,
you must understand and know about money and how to manage money and all this stuff. We are
okay.
always taught to study and work hard so that we can get a job and settle in life.
Mm, okay. And is any of this motivated by your family, or are they entrepreneurs themselves, or is most of your family just working for other companies?
Yeah, this I got motivated by reading books. I didn't know much about this back when I was in my own country. But when I came to India, I started to, study. I started reading a lot of books on self-help and businesses. So I came to realize that how important it is to be financially free, and how important it is to be free. Like if you don't have to go to office from 9 to 5, then it will be a different life. It will be a different
Mm,
lifestyle because we can go wherever we want, and we will be living a life of digital nomad.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Well, it was great to meet you today, Spark. And you obviously converse very well. So just keep on practicing.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
I hope to see you again soon. Have a lovely day further.